Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a GIF on a CapCut application. So let's start the GIF with clicking your project and find out the search. You can find a search of the video, or you can also find a photo, but today I already find my target with just this, and I would like to go directly add it into my project. I would like to change the ratio. I would like to make the canvas become square, so I would like to use this. And now you just need to go click done and adjusting the size of this video by click it, and then just have a blue frame and drag with two of your finger positionings right there. And after you're done, you just need to go click randomly. Now I would like to add some text here by click the text and add text. And then I would like to type several information here. Okay, and after that, just do positioning and styling for this. I would like to do a styling. I would like to make it like just 4 seconds longer. Okay, split and delete the rest. Okay, I already have it. Let's styling the text. Go click style. I want to make it outstanding, so I would like to do this. And for the font, I think I would like to go with this one, and do an animations for the final. And I would like to have a little bit dramatic animations. Okay, excuse me for finding the animations. Okay, now let's make it like right there, and now I just need to click done. Okay, how to make this editing become a GIF? Okay, but first we need to take a look on the result. The editing, okay, I think it's quite good. So to make it become GIF, you just need to go click this part. From video, you just need to move into the GIF. Click the GIF, and now you just need to directly export it. Now we already have it. Just click done, and let's go check it the result by go into your photo library, and this is the result. We already have GIF. That's the way how to create GIF on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.